This is building pack 4, consisting of 3 glass buildings. This is the glass buildings now arrayed a little bit, and it's a preview rendering cycle. So what I want to show you is that the blinds look different in each situation, and the interior mappings also adjust, and some of the roof materials adjust as well based on their location. Now glass is quite tricky, and when you buy this pack, you'll get a little video that shows how to use the materials efficiently and customize them based on what your scene wants. Now let's take a look at what this looks like in Eevee. And this is a night scene in Eevee, so it looks pretty good. And now if we turn on the sun and change our environment within Eevee, and you see that it also looks pretty good if we can get the shadows to look right in Eevee. And as I mentioned, if we move these buildings around, I'm going to shift a few of them around now. You can see that the blinds adjust, so they're completely random, and the interior mappings of the buildings. Now these buildings are useful for fairly good close-ups as well, or for distant elements. So just showing you around, and this building is an office building, so it kind of has a different mappings. The interiors are essentially planes, and a series of planes organized in a way to give a bit of randomness. And each plane, if we move the building around, also has a different kind of element that comes around, different image. And these buildings are more of residential types, so they also have random elements inside. They're cube mapped though, so there's the perception of a room within each one. And right now they're made to work with Eevee, but there's also a more complete shader that works within Cycles, which you get to know once you buy the pack. And the buildings that you actually get are these 3 here. And these are just duplicates of them. So 1, 2, 3. Thank you for watching.